this morning we can catch a big fish, and yeah.
Right, where's the end of the...
Here.
Looks like now, I'd say tuna being going down that deep again.
Is it?
I'd say so.
Let's see. Oh, I can see now. You can see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a tuna again.
Yep.
Tuna. Yay! Woo! God, we just clicked that one.
That was lucky.
That was lucky. Oh! Wow, very beautiful tuna. This is the very new GoPro anyhow tuna. Okay, send it back.
Okay, little fella.
Beautiful.
Alright, you ready?
Big eye tuna again.
Yep.
Go. Swim.
Woo.
Do you think you can still go back?
Yeah.
Oh my
That
god.
could have been $500 gone.
Oh my god. They're gone. I don't say it's a dolphin.
Manta rays. The manta rays.
Where?
Back there. I've seen the black and the white, the big manta rays swimming at back here.
There all. Lyndon's gonna go for a swim. Just only there, huh? Look at that. Ah, big manta ray. Lyndon's just chasing one here.
Angela, here. It's here.
There's a yellowtail kingfish again.
Yep.
Wow.
There's a lot of these suckers here, eh?
Yeah.
Oops. Come down.
Careful.
I'll lay you down.
He's a bit smaller.
Yeah, he's only a tiny one.
Yeah.
He'd be good marlin bait, but hey, look, we're going to let him go.
Yep. Ooh. Beautiful. I have that one too.
No, he's giving you a bit of a...
Yeah, already 3 missing in there.
Yeah. Oh, what you got on there? We've got to shift that rod, just hang on. That's not good. I see the colour. No, it's not a tuna. It looks like a jobfish, blue jobfish or... Alright, just keep him out there, yeah? That is a jobfish. He is a horse.
Oh my god!
Look at the teeth. You should be right, just... He's pretty slippery, so hang on to him.
Like turquoise color there.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it back?
Sky blue. Yeah, we're gonna put him back. Give us a look at the front of him. Yeah,
Look
a few
at
teeth there.
Let's go.
Righto,
One,
go.
2, 3. Woo! Swim.
Away he goes.
Our fishing is done for today, but we're heading back out. We have the fins and snorkeling gear on board. We're looking forward to spending the afternoon swimming and making the most of what we hope will be a perfect day in the water.
The current is a bit strong.
We headed back to the tender and we both agree it was the best decision for me to stay on board and handle the boat while Lyndon swims.
Here and then it's still swimming in there. I'm just going to drive towards to him closer. And yeah, the current is very, very strong, but the water is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
On our way back to the boat, we came across a large group of dolphins swimming alongside us. This time, we captured some amazing footage as I sat at the bow and having an incredible time with the dolphins all around.
Come on, let's race! Woo! Oh my god! Let's race! Go! Go, go, go! Woo! Go! Oh my god!
I feel so blessed and grateful for this incredible life and unforgettable experience of having these dolphins right in front of me jumping. Moments like this leave me
truly speechless. Thank you so much.
By the time we arrived back at the boat, we decided it was a perfect opportunity to clean both sides the hull. With no crocs around here at Scott Reef, we're able to get in the water safely and give it a really good scrub. This should help us sail more smoothly and boost our speed for the next leg of our journey.
What's going on?
Big fish.
Another big fish? What do you got this time, you reckon?
I don't know. But it's a good fight earlier.
Swimming towards you?
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Careful it doesn't jump in the boat with you.
Come on, nothing?
Keep going. Still on there? Oh yeah, he's waking up now.
Ah. Come on, mate.
So here it comes. Tuna.
What?
It's a tuna, I think.
What? Get. What is that?
A dogtooth tuna.
Dogtooth
It's a
tuna.
dogtooth tuna.
Oh, look at the lungs. Oh my god. Dogtooth tuna. Oh my god. It swims very deep. Look at that.
Nice little,
It's
nice
beautiful.
little dogtooth. On this one.
Long tom. You reckon?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, that's so big. Be careful. Look at that.
Look at the teeth on it.
Look at that. Is it a good eating? No.
Well, I don't know. Look at the teeth on this thing.
Whoa, crazy. Oh my god!
Oh shit, my lure's completely gone.
Oh my god, what is this? It's going down.
Mine's completely gone.
Is it?
Yep.
What is that?
I know, that's a big fish anyhow. Righto, I'll just go back around a little bit, start winding fast, go. Just get a bit of line back. We're in pretty deep water. That completely took my line off, so yeah, I wouldn't be at all surprised if it's a billfish, I thought.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it's so big.
Can you feel the weight of it? It's a big
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah. Ow. It's going under of the boat.
Yeah, that's all right. Just keep winding. I'll control the boat.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I can see the weight on that one.
Oh. What is this? Oh.
I'd say by the looks of it, the way it's gone down deep and bit of a weight like that, I'd say tuna.
It's here. Here. You wanna put the clip on the wood? What is that?
Hang on.
Ah!
Oh, it's a wahoo. It's a wahoo. It's a wahoo. Keep winding. buddy. Oh, there he goes, he's gone.
Oh
Oh
shit.
shit, he took the hook. Woo. So yeah, that's what took mine too, is the sharp teeth just absolutely nailed it.
So yesterday we finished the inside bottom hull, and today we're going to scrub the outside of this boat hull, which is Lyndon's already started at the starboard side. He's already there. So I'm just gonna get my snorkels and fins in the little boat, and yeah, see you in the water. So I'm ready to go down and scrub. Hi? Who is here? In the bottom! Yes! Go! Good jump, baby, jump!
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things
Go!
there are the things I want to know. Secret start.
Thank you so much for watching. We feel incredibly blessed and grateful to share this journey with you all. And if you would like to support us further, check out our Patreon for exclusive content and closer look behind the scenes. Your support truly means the world to us. This is Selling Kali saying goodbye.